see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, 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 trying to catch me riding dirty. My music so loud, I'm swinging, they hoping that they gon' catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty. Trying to catch me riding dirty. They can see me lean, tense so it ain't easy to be seen. When me see me ride by, they can see the gleam. I shine on the deck in the TV screen. Riding with a new chick, she like cola. Next to the PlayStation controller is a full clip and my pistola. Send a jacker into a coma. Girl, you ain't know I'm crazy like Crazy Bone. Just trying to bone, ain't trying to have no babies. Ride clean as hell, so I pull in ladies. Laws on patrol, and you know they hate me. Music turn all the way up into the maximum. I can speak to some niggas, try to jack for some, but we packing something that we have for We have a nigga locked up in the maximum security cell. I'm gripping O. Music loud and I'm tipping slow. Twin steady twisting like hit this dough. These pull up right behind and it's in his throat. Windows down, gotta stop pollution. City change niggas like who is that producing? That's the plan skills when we out and cruising. Got warrants in every city except Houston, but I still ain't losing. They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, 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 trying to catch me riding dirty. My music so loud, I'm swinging, they hoping that they gon' catch me riding dirty, trying to 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 catch me riding dirty.
I've been drinking and smoking, holy shit, cause I really can't focus. I gotta get it home with a popo scope, this big old scourge just swerving. All up in the curb, man, nigga been sipping on the hit and singing the gin again and sin again. We in the wind, doing 100 while I puff on the blunt. I roll another one up, we live it like we ain't giving a fuck. I got a run up in my right hand.